So right now we're gonna go to Sana. Sorry about my voice. I have no voice here for today. And we're gonna go to Sana to see some waterfall, and then tomorrow we're gonna go to Búzios in a hostel called Lapa Búzios Hostel. What we're gonna eat.
What is it?
Fish with salad, and it comes with beans, rice, and stuff. And
Nice.
something to drink, some coconut water. It's so hot here, like really, it might be like 40 something degree with 50 something sensation like.
And this is our aircon.
And this is close to the terminal. We're going to Sana right now. Sana.
So, yesterday we arrived in Sana, and it's
A nice tree over there.
It's a little bit of like a countryside area. We've just woken up, we've just been staying in a guest house, and the town has no water. We've got the only hostel with water, so that's a little bit lucky. Today we are just getting some breakfast. The boys have just gone to the local internet cafe to just check on some emails and stuff, and now we're heading to the waterfall. Had a little accident at the waterfall. He slipped on a rock.
It's very close.
Slipped on a rock and cut his foot open. So now we're gonna pass time by watching this horse eat some food.
Pretty efficient job here. Check it out.
How was that? Good? So this is our little caravan for the next couple of nights in the campsite in Sana. 3 of us sleeping in this. This is where we sleep tonight. It's very spacious.
Yeah, it's a trailer.
It's a trailer. Lounge room. And that's it.
Alright, now we're going to the waterfall. We've been in the first waterfall, but then, oh look what happened to it. We had to cancel. So I had to wait 2 days, now we're going back again. And it's funny because like the 3 last ones are called Son, Dad, and Mom. Well, so I think we found some more waterfalls here in the middle of the way. We didn't even know there were some.
Good evening. So we're still in Sana, but we've changed guest house. We've been changing every night just to switch it up a little bit. So we're out on our balcony at the moment. We've got our own top floor sort of thing. And this is the view outside.
Oh yeah, look, 42 degrees, man. That's 42 degrees. It's unbelievably hot here in Niterói. We came to check it out, this place called Niterói.